Suzuki DL650 v-strom ABS best motorcycle review, an immensely, almost peerlessly versatile package that is simply brilliant value for money. Almost every aspect has been improved in terms of performance, ranging from engine and handling to manageability and range compared to the old model. It all adds up to an immensely, almost peerlessly versatile package that is simply brilliant value for money, especially in the used market. Suzuki have unveiled the new color options available on their v-strom 650 and SV650 for 2021. The model's long-lived V-twin engine has also been tweaked to make it through Euro 5 emissions regulations. From January, the v-strom 650 is available in white, red or gray with black cast wheels, meaning that the black option is being dropped. Ride quality and brakes. It's no full-on scratcher, of course. The upright gate, 19-inch front wheel and budget/all-rounder suspension, brakes and tires preclude that, but it's now also a long way from the mushy vagueness its traily styled may suggest and can genuinely be thrown around with confidence. Engine. The revised Gladius engine is willing and eager. The SV650-based V-twin has long been considered the virtually unchallenged leader in its class, and in this uprated form, though not startlingly different, is better yet, always flexible, free revving and yet, for a V-twin, impressively smooth, too. The power builds smoothly from low down and it pulls all the way to the red line. Reliability and build quality. In person the restyle is seductive and classy. The now curvy, wind tunnel-developed lines are more integrated, the detailing and instruments more sophisticated and modern, and the use of more varied materials and textures gives the new v-strom an air of bikes as luxurious as Ducati's Diavel rather than a budget-priced middleweight. The front mudguard, tank band and side panels have an, admittedly fake, carbon fiber style weave, satins and brushed aluminium mix with glossy metallic paint, and the new seat, complete with red stitching and embossed v-strom logo, on its own looks classy and a cut above. Value versus rivals. Excellent. The old v-strom was a good, budget bike. The latest one is a great bike that just happens to be at a budget price. Considering the style, finish, equipment and ability, it makes even the great Tiger 800 seem pricey. Equipment. ABS is standard and there's a decent rack, but any other goodies are only as optional extras.